I have been designing on graph paper for years now. A lot of you know that I design and make furniture legs for a living. But even before that, furniture plans, house plans, even. The problem was I was always reaching for random notebooks, loose leaf graph paper, and it just got disorganized, discarded. And so 99% of the things I've designed over the years are just gone. I've honestly never had a notebook that felt like it was designed for people who make things. And so I decided to design one and I made it. This is the Logbook. It's a small graph paper notebook with built-in organization. I wanted a system to not only organize my designs, but archive them. I wanted to be able to quickly and easily go back through my designs and find past sketches, design ideas, and come back to them. As a designer and woodworker, my ideal notebook was large enough to sketch design ideas, but small enough to take that book into the shop with me. It needed to be utilitarian, nothing fancy, something I could take into the shop, get it dusty, creased, scribbled on, and then come back and file it away. And maybe most importantly, I needed to be able to keep a stack of these things on hand. I really don't want a thick notebook that I'm going to end up with 100 different designs in, 100 different project ideas. I want to separate them out into individual books, file them away, and then just grab another notebook and keep designing. So for me, the Logbook checks all of those boxes. And I ended up liking the idea so much that I decided to develop it into a product so I could offer it to other designers and makers. I'm making these in-house, hand printing them with archival ink, and I'm also making the storage boxes that are sized appropriately to store these the way they're intended to be stored, horizontally, so you can come back and find your information. And they are now available on my website at 1600design.com, and I hope you like them as much as I do.